Hello, good afternoon. I'm Mike Samuels and welcome to this demonstration of ProSet, Orad's virtual studio solution. Over the years, Orad has deployed hundreds of virtual studios worldwide, many for leading broadcasters. Behind me you can see examples from RTL Germany that recently moved its entire production to Orad's virtual set. RTL has been very successful in deploying multiple productions from its virtual studio and maximizing its ROI. Another example now, this is Red TV from Brazil. It also centralized its production with Orad's ProSet, offering it much greater flexibility and creative freedom than could be achieved in a conventional studio. And here are more examples of broadcasters who are taking full advantage of Orad's virtual studio to enhance their production. The powerful performance and flexibility of our virtual studio enables our customers to tell their stories better. And in my first demo, I'll be using Orad's Interact application to present this year's favorite movies. Orad's new Interact puts the presenter in control of the show content. As the movie presenter, I simply need to open the menu, and there are the films waiting for me to preview. Now let's take one of this year's favorites. Here's Natalie Portman in Black Swan. The menu here gives me a range of options for previewing my selection. I can select gallery, and I can take the viewer through a range of stills. Alternatively, I can let the trailer tell the story. And again, I'm in full control of the content. I can start the trailer. There she is. And I can stop the trailer. I can also rewind. Now, Interact supports a wide variety of interactive devices, including single, dual, and multi-touch screens. And all the menus, of course, fully configurable to your program needs. Now, by now you'll have noticed our cameraman can move the camera pretty freely around the studio space. This is thanks to Orad's X-Sync infrared camera tracking. This allows free camera movement, including crane and handheld shots. X-Sync is just one of Orad's camera tracking solutions. The VR1 robotic heads allow you to control the entire virtual studio and the camera shots from the same application. And the Orad grid system generates the tracking from the video image itself. All this provides the perfect solution for smaller virtual studio setups. We've worked hard to improve the performance of our virtual studio, and we'd like to share with you some of our latest enhancements. A real library of real-time shaders is now an inherited part of our solution. Take a look at the reflection shaders on our set, and you'll see how they enhance the level of photorealism. Talking about photorealism, let's ask our cameraman to zoom in for a moment. Notice how the background blurs, but the foreground objects remain in focus. And as he moves out, so the background comes back into focus again, just like in a real studio. Let's bring in another example now from a customer who uses the power of ProSet to combine virtual studio, interactive graphics, and augmented reality. Because ProSet enables you to integrate 3D objects inside the studio, you can make them an integral part of your virtual set. And with a little help from the NBA, let me demonstrate what I mean. Well, with the playoffs coming up, let's take two of the top teams. Let's see, here they are, the Boston Celtics and the Chicago Bulls. Now, as the sports presenter, I can select, for example, key players. Garnett from the Celtics, let's say Deng from the Bulls. I have vital statistics to compare, I have results, I have career performance, and I can also see them in action. There they are. Now, Orad's augmented reality system can seamlessly integrate 3D objects into any location, and I can also manipulate this data to give viewers a clearer picture. Now, before I leave the NBA, one more cool feature I'd like to share with you, and that is player stats. Now, by using Orad's RealSet application and Interact, I can actually bring 3D objects into the studio space in order to graphically illustrate any data I wish. There we are. I'd like to say that all the on-air graphic elements in the show are powered by Orad's real-time graphic systems. And if you'd like more detailed information about these, please don't hesitate to step into our booth. At this NAB, Orad is proud to announce its integration with EA Sports' Virtual Playbook. Taking advantage of EA's FIFA game engine and Orad's Virtual Studio technology allows you to simulate gameplay. EA's game engine draws players that appear to be physically present within a real-world studio environment. Watch as I bring Fernando Torres, one of the world's best strikers, so we can see him in action. And here he is, about to score the first goal and take Spain into the next round of the UEFA Cup. And yes, Torres has scored. It's a goal. Well done, Torres. Come back for the next show. You're booked. This technology is going to revolutionize the way we view and interact with sports broadcasts. Orad's ProSet is truly a breakthrough technology. It's part of the wide range of solutions in our growing technological and creative product offering for the broadcasting industry. Thank you for watching and have a great show.